everyone, Chelsea here from Sew Simple Home. Today I'm really excited to share with you this fun project from the Annie's Kit Club. This is the Young Woodworkers Kit Club. Today's project is the quarry truck. And the great thing about the Young Woodworkers Kit Club is that children are going to be learning how to work with wood projects, learning about the different tools like how to use a hammer, hammering in nails, how to glue, all of the skills you might need to do a fun woodworking project, and in the end they're going to end up with a completed project. So today's project is a quarry truck, and the quarry truck is actually a really fun project, and in the end it'll be a full working truck. Right now I've assembled my truck, but today I'm going to share with you ways that you can paint your truck and apply the stickers to make them more permanent to help prevent them from coming off. We'll also attach the wheels, so in the end you'll be able to see a full working quarry truck that you made with your Young Woodworkers Kit Club. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so like I said, we're doing the quarry truck. And when you look at the instructions, it's going to tell you how to put together the entire truck, what materials comes with it, as well as a tool list for things that you might need that aren't included with the instructions, including glue, and maybe some toothpicks. So you'll get this with the full instructions on how to assemble your truck. When you get to the point of assembly being done, you're going to get ready to paint, and it comes with this fun tube of green paint. It also comes with the stickers that you're going to need to apply to your truck, and it comes with a piece of sandpaper. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is sand down the sides and the edges of your truck, because some of these edges are going to be just a little bit jagged, and you don't want that if you're going to play with your truck. So we're just going to go ahead and just sand these down slightly. So I'm going to go ahead and sand my truck down. The sanding is going to help make the edges nice and smooth, but it's also going to help the paint to stick better to the truck. So once we've sanded our truck, we're going to take a rag and just wipe it down to ensure that all of the dust on it is gone. The paint won't stick very well and the stickers won't stick well if there's sawdust on it. Okay, so now I've just taken my paint and I've put it on a piece of paper here. You can use a paper plate. I've also put down a sheet of paper to ensure that I don't get the surface of my table yucky. And my tip for painting is to start on the bottom. Don't start on the top, because you can maneuver the top all you want, but you have a harder time maneuvering the bottom. So I'm just coming in here and painting, and I'm trying to do really long, nice strokes so that it'll look really nice and finished. Okay, you don't need a ton of paint, and if you don't like the color it comes with, you can always go to the store and pick up another type of acrylic paint that will work well on wood, or maybe your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa have some paint out in their shop or in their craft room that you can pick from and pick a different color. I got my paint all on my truck, and I've actually went ahead and put my stickers on as well. And you can see I've got stickers on the front and the sides. And my trick for you today is how to get these stickers to stay on. Now, I know with lots of toys, sometimes the stickers just don't stay for whatever reason. So what we're actually going to do is use Mod Podge. And if you've never used Mod Podge, it is a glue that has a finish that's real thin, and it goes over the top of vinyl, stickers, paper, whatever, and it just ensures that it stays in place and helps give kind of a layer of protection. So we're just going to take the paintbrush that we got in our kit club and paint over the top of our stickers. And you don't need a lot of this Mod Podge glue. And if you don't have Mod Podge, you can use Elmer's glue. You can water it down a little bit. But you're just painting over those stickers so that they will kind of get that extra layer of protection around them, and so they won't peel off as easily. So you're going to do that to all of the stickers that you've put on your truck, and you can get rid of the sheet where you pulled your stickers off, and then you'll get those wheels on and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much for joining me today in making our quarry truck using the Young Woodworkers Kit Club from Annie's Crafts. Not only are you going to have a fun truck that you can play with in the end, but you're learning great woodworking skills that will help you in the future in your other woodworking projects. Now don't forget to click subscribe and subscribe to Annie's Crafts on YouTube so that you can see other fun woodworking projects as well as other creative projects. And don't forget to click the link in the description to start your subscription for the Young Woodworkers Kit Club. We'll see you next time.